Respected Madam Speaker, even National Democratic Alliance is not there. Stop. Can you deny even this fact? Question mark. Will you not consider that as employment? Question mark. Here, I am not talking about the developed states of the country. Stop. I am not talking of the states ruled by BJP or NDA. Stop. I am talking about those governments where people from your parties or allies are ruling the states. Stop. They are claiming the increase in employment levels in those states. Stop. Can you deny that the figures given by the Karnataka governments are lies? Question mark. Tell me? Question mark. Therefore, do not try to mislead the country. Stop. These are the efforts of the government of India for employment that have borne fruits in these states. Stop. You know that 70 lakhs new employees provident fund accounts have been registered in 1 year. Stop. These are the accounts of youngsters in the age group of 18 to 25 years. Stop. Is not that employment? Question mark. Moreover, the doctors, engineers, lawyers and chartered accountants have provided new job opportunities in their businesses and companies. Stop. They have expanded their businesses. Stop. You don't want to acknowledge it. Para. You are well aware of the fact that the formal sector employs only 10% of the people and 90% are employed in the informal sector. Stop. Today we have made successful attempts and schemes to provide incentives for getting the informal sector into the formal. Stop. Moreover, the middle class family today does not want to beg for work but wants to live with dignity in an independent manner. Stop. I have asked several IAS officers about what their children want to do. Stop. I expect them to tell me that they would follow the convention and join the government, but today they tell me that time has changed. Stop. They tell me, sir, though we have followed the convention of our forefathers, our children are not interested in joining the service. Stop. They want to open their starts up. Stop. My child has been educated abroad. Stop. Now he wants to begin a startup. Stop. These are the aspirations of the youngsters who come from abroad today. Stop. So every government of the country should make efforts to push the aspirations of the jealous middle class youth. Stop. We should not disappoint them. Stop. Therefore, schemes like the Mudra Yojana, skill development scheme, entrepreneurship training, and so on are efforts in the direction of pushing the aspirations of these jealous youngsters. Stop. As a result, today, under Pradhan Mantri Mudra Yojana, loans of more than 10 lakh crore rupees have been approved. Stop.